Hey guys, this is Daya from No Code. Welcome to my another video. In this video we will see how to make 3D character from photo or an image and how to use it in Unity. Without any further delay, let's jump into video. There is a website called Ready Player Me. I'll put the link in the description. I have already created an account in it, so it is signed in. You too open up an account and click create avatar button. Actually you see this character is made with my photo. It almost looks similar to me. Go to my avatar and there is a plus button, then create a new character. This is how it will look when you open for the first time. Whether you can choose either full body or half body for VR purpose. We'll select the full body. So in this you can select the gender. I'll take masculine. Now you can take a picture or you can select an image from your computer. I have already downloaded Mr. Robert Downey Jr.'s photo. I'll select this. This avatar is loading now. It looks almost similar to him. But not exactly, but almost. Here you can select dresses and you have plenty of dresses in it. There is a lot of different styles. Actually, you see there is an Indian jersey in it. If you are creating any cricket oriented games or something like that, you can use that thing. And there's a lot of glasses in it, and beards, mustache, and hair color. There's plenty of hairstyles in it, so you can choose whatever you like. And also there is some cap, hats, and different types of hoodies. It looks good. I'll take this one. So let's enter into the hub. You see, the avatar is ready now. So we can use it. Now we have to find a way to use it in our Unity game engine. So let us hit this icon. And then when you up here on the front page, there is the documents, and scroll down a bit and you see there is a Unity Avatar SDK. And download this Unity Avatar SDK file. You see, I already downloaded it, so I'm gonna cancel it. Let me open up the Unity game engine. Actually, this is a Unity game engine. If you don't know how to get this, I have already made some videos about this and some basic stuffs about this. You can watch it. I'll put the link in the descriptions. And let's open the asset which we downloaded. In asset tab, go to the import package and custom package. Now you have to find out where it is saved in your system. Here is mine, so let me open it. This might take few seconds to load it up. In this package there is an error. If you don't want that error, you have to unselect Newton's of JSL. Actually it is repeating, so just remove one and import it. This is what the avatar loader is. So just go back, click on the three dots, and you see there is a copy.glb. So just copy it and then paste it over here, and also select these check boxes if you want, and hit load avatar. Our avatar is already loaded, but it is in opposite direction, so let me turn it up. Actually my mouse is not working, so that's why it is giving me little trouble. Let me pull the camera closer. Now we can see it in the game view. Okay, let me play it and to check whether it is working. You see it works well with an idle animation and also with an walking animation. So if you want to add some more animation in it, so just go to your avatar loader and reveal animation target folder. When you open up this, you will find 4 FBX files. Actually 2 for female version, 2 for male version. We have male version, so in this there is a V2 version in it, so always use this one. This is better. Let us open up the Mixamo website and we'll upload this character in it. For rigging, you don't have to worry about it, just simply hit next. It will automatically rig your character. Now your character is loaded here. Whatever the animation you want, you can just go to animation tab and search it. Let me just take the Capario just to show you guys and hit download. When you download, select this FBX for Unity and then hit download. And save this file and hit OK. Let me show you where to put this animation. Go back to your Unity and reveal animation folder. There is a male and female version. Let's get into male one and then simply copy the animation which you downloaded and paste it over here. To find it in our project, just go to plugin and there is a Wolf 3D, and in that resources, and then go to animations tab and mail folder. In this you can find the Capario, but it will have an error in it, so just go to the rig page and update it and apply. So now the error is gone. And also we have the Animator Controller. Just open up the mail one and you see there is an idle and walk animation in it. We'll simply add our Capario in it. We'll simply add a newly downloaded animation in it. And we'll set it as default layer so that when we start playing, it will automatically open up the Capario. Let me just remove this walk animation. We don't need it. Let's play and check it out. You see, the animation is playing well. This is it guys, thanks for watching till the end. Actually I'm gonna give this character few more animations, and to make them run, let me just fast forward it. So if you want to know how I'm doing this, I have already made some videos about it with full explanation. I'll put the link in the description. If you like, you can watch it too. And thanks for watching till then. See you on my next video guys. Thank you.